Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need your documents scanned and an account before you begin. First, upload a clear photo ID and a recent proof of address. Make sure file sizes meet limits. Next, take a selfie in good light and match it to your ID. The system checks likeness, so avoid hats or sunglasses. Once done, verify your email and enable two-factor authentication. This prevents lockouts and speeds future updates. Now proceed to the application form and enter your legal name exactly as on ID. You'll now work through the core form fields. Type entries slowly to avoid typos because mismatches create delays. For address fields, use the official postal format and add apartment numbers in the designated box. When uploading supporting documents, choose the highest clarity under size limits and label each file clearly. The verifier reads file names. Next, complete identity verification steps. This may include liveness checks or answering security questions. Then submit payment. Save the transaction ID and confirmation screen for track. Finish by reviewing your full submission page line by line and clicking confirm. You'll receive a reference number which you should copy and save. Once submitted, monitor email for verification steps or an appointment for in-person validation. Some offices require a final visit. Make sure to download any provisional receipt and set a reminder for the expected delivery date. If your application is rejected, don't panic. Check the rejection reason. Correct the specific documents or fields, and resubmit promptly to avoid losing payment or slot availability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.